Susie to the camera.
Okay. Okay, we'll put Susie over by Ryan. And Susie's collar, you take Susie's ring off.
Okay.
Good.
Now open.
But
Now, do you want to take this apart? Will we take Susie apart?
Hey.
Okay, take it apart. Lift them up. Lift them up. Good. Lift them right off. Lift it off. Lift this one off. Good, you got the ring off. Now take the orange one off. Take it off, that's it. Take it off.
whee! There they go. There they go.
Now open. Open.
Good.
Open. Now. Now. Now open.
Okay, put Susie back together.
A little higher.
Uh-oh.
Good. Oh, that's excellent.
Now open. Now open. This.
Yep, lift it up on here.
Use two hands, Destiny. Use your other hand. That's it. Lift it up. Lift it up.
Up.
Up. That's it.
Up.
Up.
Good.
One.
Two hands. That's good.
Good.